Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you have never been here before. Today is actually a different kind of video. I'm in Roblox Studio, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can set up your donation board in your Roblox games, because I have been getting a ton, countless requests of it. So it's very simple. Just make sure you go to view, your properties, your toolbox, and that's all you really need. Just have them open. Then what you want to do is you can just go back to home and go to your toolbox, and where it says search, just say donation. You don't even have to type in donation board or anything. The one that I recommend is the official donation made by Giz Girl. It's a really nice one. I always use it. You can use any one that actually is working, but the one that I recommend is this one. Then you want to take it and put it anywhere you want. I'm just going to put it here for now. And then you want to go to the boards in your Explorer. That's why I told you to have it open. And you press this arrow and it brings you to all these things. Then it's very simple. You see where it says delete me? Just click it. You can right click it. Oh, no, not delete me. Right click it and you can press delete. Or you can just click it, make it blue, and press backspace. And then it removes the background. Then what you want to do is you want to get your ID numbers for your donation. But before you do that, you have to go to game settings. You have to publish it. Make sure it's published. I'm going to do donation video for the video. And I'm just going to make it as Roblox Gaming Fan Club, my fan club. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to press create. Oh, did it not work? There we go. And I'm going to press game settings one more time and go to security. Make sure all these are on and press save. Then you want to get your donation IDs. Alright, once you get into Roblox itself, if you know how I put it at the group game, if I go to group and I go to my Roblox Gaming Fan Club, it might not show up because it's like still new here. But to get it, you have to go to your inventory on the side and then press places right here. And then you should see it. It says here, right, donation video. Perfect. Then, this is your game that you just did. You want to press these three buttons and press configure this place. Perfect. Once you're in here, very simple. Press developer projects and press create new. Now, if we go back to Roblox Studio and we press the products right here, this is where you're going to put them. It says 5, 10, 50, and 100. And this is where your ideas are going to go. So you have to create 5, 10, 50, and 100. So if I press create new, which I already did, I'm going to say 5 donation. And then just going to put a description of 5. And price in Robux is 5 because if you go here, this is the price of Robux. You can change this and make it like 10 and make your first one 10. But then you're going to have to make this price 10. But I'm just going to keep it for 5. I'm going to press create. Now if I reload, developer products, this is it. And this is your ID. So you want to press copy, or just Control C, highlight the ID, go back to here, and where it says 5, just do Control V, and it's a new number. Easy as that. Then you want to do to 10. So create new. I'm going to do 10 donation with an exclamation point because you can't have the same donation name all the time or else it's not going to let you. 10 and 10. And I'm just going to create 50 donation, 2 exclamation points, and 50 and 50. Create. And then last, 100 donation. Oh, donation with like 3 exclamation points. 100 and 100. Create. Now you have all of them, and we already did 5. So you just go to your 10, copy the ID, go back to Studio, and do 10. Go back, get your 50, copy. There you go. And then 100 Boop. And now, for now, let's just press play. And we're just going to test it out. This is your thing set up. And if you press donate 100 Robux, this is just a test. It's not actually going to take anything out of your, is 100 not working? Did I do 100 wrong? Wait, okay, I might have to fix 100. Is 10 working? Yep, and is 5 working? Okay, so why isn't 100 working? I might have done the wrong code, so let's just see if we can fix that for just a second. Let's go back to 100. Control C and Control V. It's the same thing. That's confusing. Huh. Well, it might work for you guys. It always works for me, so maybe it's just a glitch right now if I press 100. Weird, but it might work for you guys. If it doesn't, tell me down in the comments. But for now, let's just press 50. Are you kidding me? Is the game just being glitchy? Yeah, the game is just being glitchy. Okay. And I'm just going to press buy now. See, it's right here it says this is just a test. Your account will not be charged. Buy now. And now, if you guys have ever done it in my game, you guys know that you have to wait like a couple seconds for it to show up. So let's just give it like a couple seconds. And it's just going to refresh very soon. And it should just show my name, the donation, and my avatar should go right here. But just give it one quick second. There it is. Roblox Red Gaming YT. I donated 5. And that is not my face. But yeah, so my Roblox studio is just being buggy. So it's gonna work for you guys most likely. But if it doesn't, just tell me your issue and I'll try to I'll try to fix it for you guys. But yeah, that's how you set up your donation board. Now, if we actually press stop, and I'm going to show how you can receive your Robux. So if you press group, if you made it a group game, let's see if it showed up now. Did it? It might like not. Alright, that's okay. You're going to press configure group, and you're going to press revenue. And then if anyone donated in the game, it's going to say pending Robux. And I'm just going to tell you right now, Roblox takes 3 Robux away from any purchase. So if a guy donates 10 Robux, you're only gonna get 7 in your group. But I have 20 pending, thanks to you guys. You guys are amazing. But yeah. So my advice is if someone only has like 3 Robux and says, wait, can you make a button that can you make like a button that only has 3 Robux, I wouldn't, because Roblox is going to take like 2 away or 3 away, and then you're not going to get any. So I would just keep it at 5. And yeah, that's how you set up a donation board. I actually have 25 Robux in my group, so just to show you that this is going to work. Oh, by the way, if you did it as a private game, what you wanted, if you did it as a profile game, you want to press here, buy, and you want to press 25 Robux. And then, as you can see, it says pending Robux is 0. This is where you're going to see if you did it as a profile game, not a group game. So just check here if you did it. That's how you do it. But let's see if it actually works. So if I go to inventory, and I go to places, and video donation. Let's see if we can go in it. Oh, the reason you guys might not be able to see it in your group is because I have it on private. So if I go to game settings, press permissions, and put it on public, then you should be able to see it in your game group. But we're in it. Perfect. And if I press donate 5, let me see if the 100 works. What in the world? Donate 1? Okay, so okay, it works. 10 works, yep. Okay, so I just messed up on 100, hold up. Did I like do something wrong in the script maybe? 100, 110. I might have gone the wrong ID, but that's okay. Let's just donate 5. Bye now. Okay, this may look like a scam, but I'm really not scamming you guys. This is how you set up a donation board. It's just that my system, Roblox in general, is being buggy, so it's not gonna work with me. But this is how I always set it up. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this helped you. If it didn't help you, tell me down in the comments what happened. If the comments still get turned off, because sometimes YouTube automatically turns off my comments. But anyways, just if they don't get turned off, tell me what's wrong. I'll try to make a new video about it, or in general, I'll just try to help you. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye, guys.